Good morning, children. Once again, we are back to our English class. Now, we are moving on to the prose first flight, chapter 4, from the diary of Anne Frank, written by Anne Frank. Before moving on to the chapter, let me just request you that please read the lesson thoroughly and then listen to your video clippings. So reading of the lesson only will give you a thorough link to the lesson. So already these completed chapters you should have to know through, and this is what we can do during this time, lockdown period. So please go through the lesson thoroughly and then listen to your videos. Now coming to the chapter, for the introduction of the chapter of Anne Frank. Anne Frank was born on 12th June 1929 in Frankfurt in Germany. Being Jews, the Franks had to emigrate to Holland in 1933. The Franks went into a hiding in an Amsterdam warehouse until they were arrested on morning of 4th August 1944. Anne and her sister Margot were transported to Bergen-Belsen, a concentration camp near Hanover in Germany. They died of typhus before the camp was liberated by British troops on 12th April 1945. Anne Frank kept a diary with her from 12th June 1942 to 1st August 1944. Her father, Otto Frank, who was the only surviving member of the group, decided to fulfill his daughter's wish and published her diary, which recounted all her experiences in the concentration camp. In her diary, she not only that is mentioned about the concentration camp, here she is just sharing all complete experiences in her life, that is about her father, school, and all her friends, everything she shares here. So Anne Frank's her parents gave her a diary on her 13th birthday. She was very excited to get her diary and she named it as Kitty. And at last she found that something or someone to confide all her secret thoughts in. And she knew that she is generally misunderstood by everyone she knows. So she starts writing in her diary. So once when we are writing in her diary, we can write out anything. Our feelings can be written in her diary. Nobody is there to stop it. So she starts write. She writes about her school, her grade, her friends, and the boys in the school. And this extract she is also talking about. In this extract, she is also talking about her family, about her adorable father, the death of her grandmother, which has pained her a lot, and the day 20th June when she was when she started writing her diary, which she calls her Kitty. All these experiences she shares here. She talks about her school, her teachers, and here particularly she is sharing about her maths teacher who was giving her task of writing the essays because of her over talking in the class. She about the topics the maths teacher used to give her essays on the topic chatterbox. So when she failed to mend her ways, so again he gave her the topic incorrigible chatterbox, and still she was not ready to stop all these ways, and he has again given the essay quack quack quack. That is what he has made her, and she wrote a poem on it, and which has gained her admiration of the teacher and her classmates. So here in her diary she shares all her feelings all her thoughts where she could do, because she feels that she has no other friend to share her feelings. So she feels great love for her family, and here in her writings she shows a great sense of humor also, which recounts about her. She recollects about her max teacher. That is the funny things that she is sharing here. And she depicts a very poignant vision of a young girl who is living happily in a place where there is a life which is threatening, a threatened place she is living. So she is writing everything. She recounts a joyful experience of a family and her school life through this essay. And she particularly describes again about her max teacher only, because he is the one who is giving her all the essays to write, because she cannot stop talking. And when you are taking the chapter itself, the beginning itself, says that writing in a diary is really strange experience for someone like me, not only because I have never written anything before, but also because it seems to me that it seems to me that later on neither I nor anyone else will be interested in musings of a 13-year-old schoolgirl. So she writes this beginning itself. And why does she want to write it like that in her diary? Is the paper has got more patience than man. So there than the people. So she could write all her sayings. That is, she is saying that all her thoughts and feelings when she was depressed, when she was sitting alone, could be shared through her diary, because the diary doesn't stop her writing, and the diary is there always to get whatever she wants to write. It's never stopped. And she gives about her schooling here. About when she is sharing about a school experience, she is saying that the promotion time, when all are ready to get promoted to that, but here Kitty doesn't feel that she will be promoted, because already she is very weak in maths, and she used to get punishment from her maths teacher. So this is what she shares about her school. Again, she is saying about the musing experiences that she had in her school. Talking about her grandmother, she says that when her grandmother died, she started that she is stating that no one could understand her intensity of her love to her grandmother. That much she has loved. No one could imagine how she thought of her, and even she lighted a candle for her grandmother on her birthday. And when talking about her father, when she is sharing about her father, she always father is a very adorable person for her, loving, caring, gentle person. That is what she says. So when talking about her master, max teacher, so Giesing, the max teacher, was always annoyed, as she always talks in the class so much and disturbs the class. That is not liked by Giesing, the max teacher. This is what she shares about her max teacher also. And when she is just talking again about the class, means here she believed that what she believed before talking about the class, what she thinks about her life is, and believed that there are no people who can understand, and nobody is there interested in the other's life. People are not interested in the other's life, as they are stuck to their own problems. So it is really hard to get someone who can give importance to her, or to her diary. And then she is saying that people will get bored and become impatient when we talk about our problems. So, on the other hand, when we are writing our feelings and thoughts on a paper, we can write as long as we want without thinking of anyone, as it doesn't react at all. We can share our feelings, which are sad as well as happy. It never gets bored or stop us from writing. It behaves to us like a true friend, and who keeps on the secrets and listens to us very patiently. So she thinks that the paper has got more patience than people. Now when she is depicting about her the teacher student relationship, this is also, she here in this lesson she gives a very importance to teacher student relationship too. So when she is depicting about the teacher student relationship, the class atmosphere and discipline also she mentions here. The class, because Anne Frank is really a person who cannot control her talking, and she keeps on disturbing the class, which is not liked by her maths teacher, who is the well-wisher of her studies. So here Anne would talked in the class, and she was punished by Mr. Keesing, her maths teacher. He asked her to write the essays as punishment, which is learning in disguise, because he wanted her to focus on her studies. Teacher cannot be blamed here, because he did it only for the development of the child. So the relationship between Mr. Keesing and Anne Frank is clearly a lively and a humorous one, because both of them tried to joke with each other, but the humorous and a healthy relationship was there. A healthy manner they are just keeping on the class. So a healthy relationship is much stressed. The need of healthy relationship in the class, the teacher student relationship, is much stressed everywhere in the class for the effective teaching and learning process, which we too should follow it in our classes. So the teachers may punish you just for your goodness, for your good effect, because you may be disturbing the class, and there you should take it in the proper manner where we have to learn. So please understand these two children according, that is our Anne Frank, a life of Anne Frank is teaching us all this. So when we are just moving on, that is the diary. The diary contains her innermost feelings, beliefs, mood, and observation about the people who lived around her. And her diary, through her diary, she depicts her as a keen observer and a girl who had a flair for writing, for depth and feeling. So we can say that her diary proved to be her dear friend, where she could write everything. That is what she mentioned. Her loneliness is just taken away through her diary, a heart which she revealed through her diary to us. So her Kitty was her real friend for her. So all these things, that is how she could manage with her feelings, her depressed life, all that she depicts through her diary. And so when master has given the punishment, she took it in a humorous way and wrote the poem. And here the master was also allowed her to talk and did not punish her again. So thus that responsibility of bringing out as a writer is also mentioned, that the master was one of the person who has brought her interest in writing, brought out her interest in writing too. father, who was really adorable, has given her the most of the love, and that is her love and care were to be given. That is always in the depressed mood, and the situations like that has made them to go down in their life, but that was all taken care of by the father, and that feeling is also written through her, by her, through the diary. This is what we are learning from this chapter, the diary of Anne Frank. So dear children, please go through. This is the story which you have learned, or the book that when you are going to read the diary of Anne Frank, the book, please collect it. It will be available in the YouTube. So please collect it and go through the whole book. Read the whole book which is written by her diary. Everything humorous and good things she has written about her life. So please read that book also. Try to collect the book and read it, and also read the lesson. You have got ample time to read the lesson. Go through the lesson and the video clippings which we have posted here. So thank you children for today's class.